How to store lambda expressions in variables in Kotlin example. Are lambda expressions confusing you in Kotlin? Do you struggle to understand how to properly store and utilize them? Learn the simple trick to effortlessly capture lambdas in handy variables for clean, reusable code in just minutes. How to store lambda expressions in variables in Kotlin example. Another powerful feature of lambda expressions is the ability to store them in variables. This allows you to reuse lambda expressions throughout your code. Here's an example. In this example, we define a lambda expression called multiply that takes two integers as parameters and returns their product. We then store this lambda expression in a variable called multiply. This variable can now be used as a regular function taking two integers and returning their product. That being said, are you tired of those pesky runtime null pointer exceptions crashing your apps? Let us now take a look at another feature of Kotlin, null safety. With Kotlin's built-in null safety, you can say goodbye to worrying about NPEs. Instead, leverage the power of strict compile time checks to catch issues early while writing cleaner, safer code. Learn how Kotlin makes handling nulls simple and intuitive in this quick video.